gentlemen, as you know, we had a slightly bitter elections recently, just over. Time for reconciliation. That's our Chief Minister's effort. In media, we call it the dance of democracy. We were known across the country for good things and not so good things, but fighting all odds with a smile on his face is what Dr. Pramod Sawant did. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Dr. Pramod. Thank you, sir, for coming and spending this. Truly, calmness is superpower. I'm also delighted to introduce two very distinguished gentlemen. Mr. Ashok Karnani, whole-time director of the Free Press Journal, along with Abhishek Karnani, who is the president of the Free Press Journal and Nav Shakti. My dear friends, as you know and will definitely know from now, the Free Press Journal is an Indian English language daily newspaper that was established in 1928 by Mr. Swaminathan Sadanand. Sadanand ji, your namesake. In just another 6 years, this group of newspapers will be 100 years in service of the nation. A big hand to this newspaper. FPJ played a very important role in the freedom struggle of our country. It is published out of Mumbai and many other cities in the country. And I had some very, very interesting deliberations with this group. About 6 or 7 months back, Abhishek and me started this dialogue. It's very interesting how it went on. For us at Fomento Media, we have 4 newspapers and 3 wonderful TV channels. We always believe that learning is the way forward. We are, Prudent is 15, 16 years, one of the finest TV channels we have in Goa. All our publications are about 5, 6 years. But we have to take Goa forward. We have continuously made this effort. And to now, finally, associate with the Free Press Journal is a very, very, very special moment for us. There's lots of plan together. You will witness today. Lots of interesting ideas. Goa, Abhishek will explain, from today morning is already on the FPJ front page and will continue to do so and create a great platform for the state of Goa and its leaders to project the great work that we are doing in Goa. Again, my dear friends, thank you, Abhishek ji, thank you, Ashok ji, for making it and making this special occasion so special. I'm also delighted to introduce Mr. Govind Bene, my colleague, friend. He is the Group Head of Finance and Projects for Fomento Worldwide. He was closely associated with our growth, and I requested him be in Goa, spend this time with us. I'm thankful, Govind, you made it to us today. Kishore.
Welcome, Namaskar, Yevkar. Fomento मीडियाच्या शिरपेचात एक नवे मोरपीस आज खोवले जाणार आहे. गोव्यातल्या माध्यम क्षेत्रात एक नवे पर्व आजपासून सुरू होणार आहे. वोकल फॉर लोकल असा मंत्र आपले पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी दिला आहे. आज आम्ही वोकल फॉर लोकल तर आहोतच, पण आता नॅशनल आणि ग्लोबल बनणार आहोत. एका लोकल प्रॉडक्टला ग्लोबल साज या निमित्ताने चढणार आहे आणि त्याचा थेट लाभ आमच्या वाचकांना मिळणार आहे. दर्जेदार लोकल कंटेंटसह आता तितक्याच दर्जेदार नॅशनल आणि ग्लोबल कंटेंट गोव्यातल्या वाचकांना मिळणार आहे आणि फॉमेंतो मीडियाच्या माध्यमाने ही एक नवी भरारी आजपासून आम्ही घेणार आहोत. सरांनी व्यासपीठावरील मान्यवरांची ओळख तर करून दिलेलीच आहे, परंतु त्याचबरोबर फोमेंतो मीडियाच्या वेगवेगळ्या विंग्सचं प्रतिनिधित्व करणारं एडिटोरियल मंडळ, संपादकीय मंडळ या ठिकाणी व्यासपीठावर उपस्थित आहे. फोमेंतो मीडियाचं भूषण ज्याला आपण म्हणू ते म्हणजे प्रुडंट मीडिया, गोव्याचं नंबर 1 चॅनल. त्या प्रुडंट मीडियाचे संपादक प्रमोद आचार्य या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत. त्याचबरोबर गोवन वार्ता या 2015 साली सुरू झालेल्या मराठी न्यूजपेपरला एक तारुण्य चेहरा असा प्राप्त करून दिलेले गोव्याचे धडाडीचे गोवन वार्ताचे संपादक पांडुरंग गावकर या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत. त्यांचंही आम्ही स्वागत करतो. द गोवन म्हणजे आजच्या घडीला गोयकरांचा खरा आवाज, व्हॉइस ऑफ गोवन्स अशी एक ओळख बनलेलं द गोवन एव्हरीडे हे आमचं इंग्लिश दैनिक आहे आणि या इंग्लिश दैनिकचं संपादक आहेत जोएल आफन्सो. त्यांचंही मी या ठिकाणी स्वागत करतो. आणि आपल्या गोव्याबरोबरच शेजारच्या सिंधुदुर्ग तालुक्यात फोमेंतो मीडियाचा दबदबा तयार करणारा सिंधुदुर्ग लाईव्ह आता काल गुढीपाडव्यापासून कोकण साद लाईव्ह बनलेला आहे. संपूर्ण कोकण प्रांत पादाक्रांत करण्याचं ध्येय बाळगून कोकण साद आणि कोकण साद लाईव्ह काम करत आहे. आणि त्या कोकण साद पेपर आणि कोकण साद लाईव्ह चॅनलचं संपादक पद भूषवत आहेत सागर चव्हाण. मी त्यांचंही या ठिकाणी स्वागत करतोय. सर,
FPJ, as I just mentioned, was a beautiful journey. You have to really witness it. When I went to their office so many times now at Nariman Point, there's a road called as FPJ Marg that leads to their FPJ Bhavan. When I visited, it gave me a feeling, when anything is heritage, 100 years, it shows. And to see a beautiful temple inside the building of FPJ, Ashokji is a very religious person, was just amazing. It's a great experience for me and my entire editorial team who made this happen. So today, my dear friends, is so special. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, will press a button. With that button, over 1,75,000 men and women, boys and girls, will get the Free Press Journal, which is a very good newspaper. You must read it. It's all there. Must watch it. Every word, it's got so much of valuable information. International, national, economy, money, entertainment, everything. This newspaper will be a great help to those young men and women in these 2 districts of Maharashtra. So on this very auspicious day, under the presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, this dream comes true. Thank you very much for joining this. I request Amit to come forward. It's going live right now, and the newspaper is available to so many children free, thanks to Ashok ji and Abhishek ji. That's what we have facilitated. Yes.
1,75,000 लोकांना आजपासून दररोज फ्री प्रेस जर्नल हे व्हॉट्सअपच्या माध्यमानं संपूर्ण कोकण प्रांतात मिळणार आहे आणि एका नव्या पर्वाला या निमित्तानं सुरुवात होणार आहे.
Very special. Some of you will get it on your phones right now if you are in that group. But today the paper is slightly late for them. Sorry. But from tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock, everybody gets FPJ in that part of our country. Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for making this happen today. The second part is also very, very important. The content sharing agreement between Fomento Media and the FPJ group. From tomorrow morning, the Goan Varta and Konkan Sad will have a much better content. The agreement is about sharing what we have and what the FPJ has. I'm sure most of you read these newspapers. Nav Shakti is another great brand. So the Nav Shakti important pages get into Goan Varta and Konkan Saad. We've got a trial one of today's news already. Please watch. But from tomorrow morning, it's going to be every day printed out, and it's a part of our newspaper. A very special moment for us. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to this entire dignitaries for making this happen, please. May I request the editors to kindly sign it up and exchange in front of the Chief Minister. Well, friends, before I request the Managing Director, President of Free Press Journal to say a few words, I would request Mr. Govind Bene to share with us his experience today and say a few words, please. We're a bit of a time short, so accordingly, the Chief Minister is looking at me.
Okay, good afternoon. The chief guest of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Ashok Karnani, the President, the Director of the Free Press Journal, Abhishek, the President of the Free Press Journal, Joe Louis, my other colleagues from Fomento team, invitees, and ladies and gentlemen. It's always difficult to make a speech at the end with nothing really left to speak. And that's what a time allocation also is for me. But I take this opportunity, first of all, thank you all for being here and sharing the moment that marks a new page of opening or sharing the data between the Fomento Media and the Free Press Journal. Needless to say, and have been said by many, the Free Press Journal is the leading newspaper and is known for the unbiased and independent views. The Fomento also would like to specifically mention that the Free Press Journal had done a significant work during the pre-liberation days for India, and they played a very vital role during that time. And Mr. Karnani, I am proud to be associated with you for this issue. Now, what this agreement means has been broadly elaborated by most of the colleagues, but for me, this Free Press Journal is in the system for the last 9 decades. So the Fomento Media has been continuously trying to evaluate and improve and taking the feedback from the leadership to improve the quality of the leadership, quality of the reporting, as well as to reach the masses. I think this 9 years of learning and experience, which has been gathered by the Free Press Journal, that will now be available to our team to improve on the quality. Besides, you have just now seen CM has released by pressing a button the PDF files of the various newspapers, which is the platform that will be available for both the I would say organizations to reach to the masses. Now, second, from the reader's point of view, if you ask me, the reader is today, and we were debating before this, we had discussions privately with Karmani earlier, that today the time is changing. The people are looking for more of a digital type of, the leadership. If you look at anybody between the age of 15 to 30, they are more interested in electronic media rather than physical. This change will evolve. So the quality that is expected in both in terms of the medium and the contents is what is going to be available now to the Fomento Media, which can be exploited for the readers of Goa and the Maharashtra, especially in the Konkan belt. I think most important for us is, as rightly said by Pramod, the way the Goa is being projected today. Now is an opportunity to use this medium of, especially the Free Press Journal or maybe India Ahead, to project in the right way. And I think that is the biggest opportunity that is going to come with the collaboration of this, with the Free Press Journal. I'll not take too much of time, but I once again thank you for being here and being part of this session. But I'll also expect both the teams to come together and really show the new heights of journalism and also keep the expectation of the reader. And that is the purpose of the whole arrangement. Thank you very much.
Three things between FPJ. These are the three targets. One, we need to reach over 2 million people, Goa, India, overseas, get the newspapers to them every day morning, free. That's the way forward. Second, Goa events, especially in Mumbai and other parts of India, will be the joint collaboration with FPJ, which will be really big events because FPJ is known to conduct very large events across the country. And finally, what Abhishek ji will express in his speech is from today, digitally, we collaborated. That's another big story for today. Abhishek ji, President of Free Press Journal, may I request you to kindly say a few words.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, all the dignitaries and the guests. You have heard a lot about and seen the history and legacy of Free Press Journal. I will just take you through the journey of last few years with the FPJ. When the pandemic struck India, most newspapers shriveled because they were largely dependent on the old world of marketing and distribution. But we were nimbler. So we spruced up our plans and embraced the digital world far more enthusiastically than most imagined possible. When most newspapers went behind the paywall, FPJ did quite the opposite. To counter fake news, we began distributing PDF copies of our newspapers free of cost to anyone who wanted them. Today, more than 100,000 PDFs are being circulated every day. We have no account of how many are being re-forwarded by recipients to their friends. The printed word enjoys immense clout and credibility, even if it is through a digital file. Last few years, we have been looking at policy-related issues through conducting forums, panel discussions, and now webinars with participation of representatives from the government and industry. It helps to showcase today's leaders to tomorrow's leaders. Our 90-year-old newspaper has been the most active during this pandemic and has grown 10x on digital. I'm happy to share that we have more than 50 million page views on our digital platform. I'm immensely proud to share that we are the third largest publication in Mumbai as on date. FPJ shall also foray into NFTs. You will hear about them soon. Thus, today, FPJ is just not a newspaper, it is much more, and we hope to keep it that way. In October 2020, we launched Brand Sutra, a supplement focused on stories and insights from major brand marketeers. Since then, we have had on the page very senior marketeers sharing with us their personal journey as well as the journey of their brands. Today's copy has the Brand Sutra page. The state of Goa is one of the most progressive states in the country. During the year 2019-20, it had the per capita income of rupees 3,03,000 compared to the national average of rupees 1,08,000. And everyone knows it can do a lot better. It has both tremendous economic potential and a heritage of ancient cultural activities. We are happy to join hands with the Fomento Group, promoters of the Goan Everyday, its sister publication Goan Varta in Marathi and Konkan Saad from Sindhudurg for content sharing, and we have already launched the Sindhudurg edition of the Free Press Journal with them. Thank you so much, Joe. Without you, it would not have been possible. We have moved one step forward in this iconic collaboration under the able guidance of Mr. Ashok Karnani, our whole-time director and my older brother. Finally, I would like to state that I am very happy with this association and hope that the people of the tourist destination of India will get fair and informative news that concerns and matters to them in order of their priorities that will shape their opinion towards a great and better future. And as Joe had mentioned, we have also started collaborating on our digital website. If we can just showcase our website, wherein we have already started taking Goa news. So on the screen you will see, we have a separate category for all the Goa news that the Goan on the Goan website. We have started taking them on our Free Press Journal also, and that a backlink comes to the Goan website.
Yeah.
So that's
amazing. Just started right now. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Abhishek ji. Wonderful experience and many things to learn from you over the days and weeks and months ahead. Our Honorable Chief Minister, a very good friend of mine. My request to him, I said, this cannot be done without you. He accepted it in spite of his extremely busy schedule, and now spending so much of time with us, sir. I am really honored, and thank you so much. May I request you to kindly.
Content sharing signing of the agreement between the Free Press Journal and the Fomento Media. For this function, along with me, Mr. Ashok Kanani, Mr. Abhishek Kanani, the President of Navashakti, Joe Louis, Director of Media of Fomento, the Govind Beni, the Pramod Acharya, Kishore Gaukar, Pandurang Gaukar, Joel Alfonso, Sagar Chavan, and all the dignitaries among the audience also, Mr. Sadanand Tanode, the President, Bharatiya Janata Party President, and distinguished guests. First of all, I congratulate for the Fomento Media and also for the Free Press Journal, which is the oldest media house in Mumbai. They have worked during the freedom struggle movement of India. Especially, I salute to Mr. S. Sadanandan, who is a real freedom fighter and who has worked for this journal. Really, I think that time it is very difficult time to work in a media house. At that time, the S. Sadanandan, who have started the media and who have given so many press, medias regarding the freedom struggle in 1928. See, at that time, I think there is not a single paper of the Indian origin. That time you people have started. Really, I salute for your media house and congratulations once again for you people. गोयच्या फॉमेंटो मिडियाच्या बद्दल सांगपाचें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खरोखरूच म्हणजे एक मिडिया हाऊस अशें आसतलें की लोक लॉसान वयता त्या बिझनेसान सहसा इन्वेस्ट करिना आनी कोविडांतल्या ह्या महामारीच्या काळात सुद्धा म्हणजे कदाचित लॉसान वचूय शकता हे खबर आसतनाय बी एखाद्या मिडिया हाऊसात इन्वेस्ट करप हे कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करपाक जाय फॉर द फॉमेंटो मिडिया, बाबा अवधूत बाब तिमलो एंड अंबर बाब तिमलो एंड फॉर द लुईस. कारण आम्ही पळयलें की कोरोनाच्या काळात बऱ्याच जणांनी आपले पेपर बंदय केले. बऱ्याच जणांनी ठरयलें की ह्या इंडस्ट्रीत आनीक वचप म्हणजे ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट भायर सरतली काय ना. इतकें सगळें आसतना सुद्धा गोवन वार्ता लायव्ह चॅनल सुरू करप, कोंकणी सारकिलो भांगारभूंय पेपर सुरू करप आणि त्याच बरोबर म्हणजे गोंयचीच काळजी करिनात तर सायडीकच्या सिंधुदुर्गाची काळजी करता आणि तांच्याय खातीर सिंधुदुर्गा लायव्ह सुरू करप खरोखरूच मनापासून अभिनंदन करता. आमी सुदोदीत गोंयकार कोंकणी आमची मायभास म्हणटा, पण तीच कोंकणी मायभास जगाच्या नकाशाचेर पावोवपा खातीर जर कोणी काम केलां आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते फॉमेंटो मिडियात. हांव फॉमेंटो मिडियाचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. नॉट ओन्ली फ्रॉम द प्रुडंट म्हणजे प्रुडंट चॅनलांतल्यानच न्हय तर तेंच्यांनी आपलो पयलो डिजिटल पेपर म्हणजे वेब बेस्ड पेपर म्हणजे दुबयत आशिल्ल्या आनी फॉरेन कंट्रीज आशिल्ल्या लोकांक जरी कोंकणी वाचीत दिसली आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता बापा पांडुरंग गांवकारान सुरू केल्लो कोंकणी लायव्ह पेपर भांगारभूंय पेपर हो आमकां पुराय जगभर तो वाचपाक मेळटा. तुमी गोंयची कोंकणी भास आमी पळयता की भारत देशांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांनी मागीर जावं ती कर्नाटकांतल्या काही भागात, जावं ती महाराष्ट्रांतल्या काही भागात, जावं ती केरळांतल्या काही भागात म्हणजे आयजूय बी कोंकणी शिकतात, वाचतात, बरयतात. खास करून केरळात म्हणजे काही लोक जे आसा हे कोंकणीकडे तितक्याच मोठ्या प्रमाणे आकृष्ट जातात आणि त्याच खातीर तो पेपर आसचो हे तुमच्या मिडियात परत एकदा म्हणजे बऱ्याच जणांनी लॉस जाता म्हणून बंद केले, बट तुम्ही लॉस जाता आसतना सुरवात केले म्हणून हांवें म्हटलें हांव तुमकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आनी हाज्याय फुडें तो पेपर अशाच पद्दतीत चालू उरचो अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी ह्या सगळ्या हातूंतल्यान आमी गोंय जर फुडें वतले आसत, गोंय जर टुरिस्टीक स्टेट म्हणून फुडें येतले आसत, म्हणजे टुडे यू हॅव पब्लिश्ड इन युअर पेपर इट इज ट्रू Goa being the capital of India in a tourism. Definitely we are promoting, we are developing that type of infrastructure jointly in the PPP sectors also. हाज्याय फुडें आमचो सगळ्यांचो हावेस आसतलो, सरकाराचो हावेस आसतलो गोंय राज्य हे देशाची टुरिस्टीक राजधानी जावची आनी ताच्याच खातीर आमचो सगळ्यांचो प्रयत्न आसतलो, सरकाराचोय प्रयत्न आसतलो. बट फक्त सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसलो म्हणून जावचो ना, ताका जर प्रमोट करतले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मिडिया हावजान ते प्रमोट करप चड गरजेचें आसता. त्या खातीर हांवें मुद्दामून म्हटलें गोंयांतल्या खंयच्याच मिडिया हावजांत म्हणजे गोंयाक भारताच्या नकाशाचेर व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न गोंयांतल्या गोंयांत सगळेच जाण खेळटले. आमी म्हणटा इन होम ग्राउंडाचेर खेळपा खातीर इट इज व्हेरी इजी टू प्ले ऑन होम ग्राउंड. सो देर सो मेनी पीपल आर प्लेइंग ऑन होम ग्राउंड. To play on the nationally and internationally, it is very difficult. So that you people have started that. So once again, you are jointly tie up with India Ahead. That is also the great initiatives taken by the Fomento Media. I am congratulating for the Pramod Acharya for that. So you are doing very good and wonderful job. So that you are promoting the Goa and tourism at a Delhi and India level. And now the one step ahead, you have associated with the free press journals, so that definitely the content sharing of the free press journals, it will more helpful for the Goan youth also, for the Goans. So once again, I'm congratulating for both the media houses. Okay, there is a lot of interesting topics. I think definitely you people will share in futures also, and that will help in business, educations for the in the various in tourism industry, in various in industry field. So that will help for the Goan and Goan industry. So at this venture I'll tell. So the government is always supportive for the media and for the you people in future also. Definitely we will promote our state as a touristic state and one of the best tourism industry in for the will promote Goa as being the best tourism activity, tourism state in India. So whatever the help required for you people for the promotion purpose, so we are there. So once again, thank you for this event. You had called me